Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for giving me this wonderful opportunity to talk about myself. I consider it a great honor to be invited to speak here. Let me introduce something about myself. My name is Phong. I'm 24 years old. I grew up and grew up in Nguyen. I live with my parents and my young sister. I like playing football and learning English, but my English used to be very poor, and I felt terrible about myself. I even consider about myself a total failure. I had no goal, no dream, and no hope for the future. When I studied at Human English Center, I began to change. I started to realize that my life has meaning. I could control my future and influence other people. I finally understood that my destiny was in my own hand. I get up early every morning and yell English lazily. I read English before and after every meal. I practice every word, every sentence, every passage absolutely. I have a very positive attitude. I'm disciplined and have a work habit. Every day my pronunciation gets better. Every day my vocabulary increases. Every day my confidence grows. Every day I have more people. Hưng Yên English Center has absolutely changed my life and made me a better person. That's why I strongly recommend Hưng Yên English Center to everyone I meet. I hope that after this course we all make best friends, and thank you for listening to me.